Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a vibrant wildflower walk. Today, we embark on a captivating journey through the breathtaking landscapes of the wilderness, where an explosion of colors and fragrances awaits us at every turn. As we venture into meadows, woodlands, and mountain slopes, we discover a tapestry of wildflowers that blanket the landscape. Each blossom tells a unique story, showcasing the resilience and adaptability of nature. From delicate daisies and cheerful sunflowers to elegant orchids and majestic lilies, the diversity of wildflowers astounds and delights us. But wildflowers are not just a feast for the eyes. They are essential for the health and well-being of our planet. These vibrant blooms attract a symphony of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, which play a crucial role in the reproduction of plants. Through their diligent work, wildflowers ensure the continuation of plant species and the survival of countless organisms that depend on them for sustenance. In addition to their ecological significance, wildflowers offer a multitude of mental health benefits. Spending time in nature surrounded by the vibrant hues and delicate fragrances of wildflowers has a profound effect on our well-being. It soothes our souls, reduces stress levels, and brings a sense of peace and tranquility. The simple act of immersing ourselves in the beauty of wildflowers can restore our inner balance and rejuvenate our spirits. A wildflower walk is a sensory adventure. The gentle rustle of leaves, the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the sight of butterflies flitting from blossom to blossom create a symphony of nature's wonders. Each step brings us closer to the healing powers of the wilderness, connecting us with the natural rhythms of life and reminding us of the delicate harmony that exists in the world. Moreover, wildflowers hold cultural and symbolic meanings in different societies. They have been used for centuries in ceremonies, rituals, and as remedies in traditional medicine. Their presence in folklore and literature speaks to their enduring allure and the significance they hold in our collective human experience. As we tread lightly through the wilderness, let's remember to respect and protect these delicate floral treasures. Taking only photographs and leaving only footprints ensures that future generations can also revel in the splendor of wildflowers. By practicing responsible and sustainable outdoor ethics, we become stewards of the environment, safeguarding the beauty and diversity of wildflowers for years to come. So, grab your camera, a field guide, and join us on this enchanting wildflower adventure. Explore the stunning landscapes, discover the hidden gems, and immerse yourself in the vibrant colors of nature's own masterpiece. Experience the awe-inspiring beauty of wildflowers and let them inspire you to cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world. And for those seeking to bring a touch of wildflower beauty into their own lives, don't forget to visit our recommended shop, where you can find quality products to enhance your outdoor experiences. From botanical prints and floral-themed accessories to gardening tools and seeds, let the wonders of wildflowers bloom in your everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the vibrant world of wildflowers. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more nature-inspired content. Until next time, let the wilderness be your muse, and may the beauty of wildflowers continue to inspire and uplift your spirit as we celebrate the wonders of the natural world.